Oh, hey, Nolan.
Oh, hey, Dave.
When did you get here? Where did all these parts come from?
Parts, man.
What are they for?
I believe it's labeled, I think.
You shooting
Draco? It's for Draco, I think.
You shooting a stream tonight? Is that what's happening?
Potentially, yes. We could be streaming tonight.
Oh, okay. What's your Twitch?
My Twitch is Cyber Samurai with 5 eyes. You know, it'll be in the description.
And we're building this for
this
for
is
Draco?
This is for Draco. Yeah, he's another Twitch streamer out there. The link will be in the description below for him as well. A little bit of description on what we're building today, guys. We're going to be going with an Intel build. This is a strictly gaming PC. Nothing else. Nothing else is going to be on this PC but gaming.
If I see paint on this PC,
it's going to run.
You should have ran out Ryzen.
It's going to be Minecraft, you know.
Yeah.
So we're going to go with Intel's flagship CPU for gaming. Intel i9 9900K. Until the 10th gen came out, which is a little hotter, a little more blazing fast. So we got the Intel i9 here. We're going to pair that up with 32 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz RAM, Corsair, RGB Vengeance Pro, RGB.
Doesn't matter, you're still getting the same thing.
You're still getting the same stuff.
Same letters.
So we're getting Vengeance Pro RGB, 3200 megahertz, 32 gigabytes of RAM. Always definitely a great selection. Corsair is one of the good brands that makes RAM. Storage-wise, we are going to be working with my favorite SSDs known to mankind on this planet. There's no aliens, don't worry. Is the Team Group 500 gig Delta Max RGB SSDs. If you have not seen this stuff, and if you're like a visuals kind of person,
This stuff looks great.
This stuff looks great. If you want some diamonds in your freaking PC, this is the way to go.
Yeah.
This is the candy. We got 1 terabyte. It's nothing super crazy, super duper flux capacitor style here.
It'll hold. Modern Warfare.
It'll hold Modern Warfare. That's about what we're going for here. Motherboard wise, we're matching it up with the one and only in stock Aorus Z390 Pro or Gigabyte Aorus Z390 Pro motherboard. If you guys are interested in a good quality motherboard, the Z390 Aorus Pro Edition is 100% recommended by me and Gabir at Corewind.
I didn't say anything.
So we got the motherboard out the way. Then we got the power supply. Everybody needs some juice. We got some juice here. We got the EVGA 850GA fully modular, Gold Plus 80 Plus Gold certified power supply. That's a lot to say. That's a lot to say every time you say it. EVGA's Supernova Edition, definitely known for their good quality brand power supplies, graphics cards, stuff like that. So 100% recommend EVGA products as well. Then, right here, you all know you need some frames, right? What better way to do that to have a box full of frames right here?
Like, we're going to open this up and frames are just going to dump out.
Yeah, you can open this up, no display port, no HDMI needed, just frames out the box. So, what we got here is the ROG Strix Gaming OC Edition. It's actually the Advanced Edition. I don't know the difference yet, but that's what they said in the description. This is the Advanced Edition. Who knows? 2080 Ti, nonetheless, the mothership, the one and only 11 gigabytes of DDR6 RAM. If you want frames, frames win games, and hertz as well.
That's a lot of money, yeah.
That's a lot of money. So, 100% recommend 2080 Ti if you got the budget for it. Pair it with the i9. You guys know how this works. You know the end results here. And then to keep this bad boy cool, because you know these things are nuclear temperatures. Is H100i, great cooler for any product out there. Any CPU that you need cooled, this bad boy can do it.
And it looks good.
And it looks good, you know? You can't go wrong with RGB goodness. It's gonna pop, and it's gonna make you smile every time you turn it on.
Where are we putting it all in?
And then we got it into this masterpiece of a glass case, the Corsair 570X edition. It's the black model. This comes only in all tempered glass with a metal frame. That is it. It's all you get. You get glass. So you get a piece of glass that looks amazing. Corsair, you make some good products. Can't say anything bad.
It sure looks nice.
And it looks nice. Like, imagine turning this thing on your desk, full RGB. You could see everything. You want to see Mars? Turn your PC on. The legend himself. The one. the only Draco. So, if you guys don't know who Draco is, you should give Draco a follow, or Draco slaps, you know what I'm saying? He doesn't deserve it. Damn, Gravity just gonna put him on like that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So let's get this puppy out of the packaging. All right, so we'll use the Gigabyte thing again. I like that. The little connector thing. That's pretty sweet. Got one standoff, couple SATA cables. Leave that stuff in there. We just need the M.2 standoff. Oh man, this is how them Aorus boards, bro.
The full wraparound.
Yeah.
A little reach around going.
A little reach around going. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. You gotta like get it to where. That was a good peel. All right, guys. So we got the motherboard out. Let's get the RAM. So we're gonna put the whatchamahoos it in. All right, guys. We're gonna get the case prepped. Yeah. Yeah, the case. Yeah. All right, guys. This is the case. We gotta take like 9 million glass panels off this sucker.
You gotta chuck those too.
Gonna chuck these, bro. Oh, dude, this thing. This one's gonna be a scary one. Scary one to ship. So, it's got glass. Like every panel on this thing is glass. Guys, also, always say this. Don't forget your I/O shield here. Even though this motherboard comes with it, don't forget them when you do lower end motherboard budgets and build budgets and stuff.
Nobody messes with it.
The Samurai. Oh, that's cool, Gigabyte. Or, yeah, Gigabyte. Look, they actually put the arrow there for you. That way big and nice and big where you can see it.
Please don't mess this up. We don't want to RMA your bent pins.
That always scares me whenever you have it.
You have like that.
And you're like, oh, God. Probably gonna have to remove this thing like 3 times just to get it the correct stuff in. Alright. They're nothing like super special, but they're actually really nice. Like if you like something that like want to make your system look pretty good, these are actually really nice. Like they're typical SSDs. Team Group I've used these like for over 1.5 years now. 0 problems. They look really good. If you have like an all glass case, or if you want something to make it pop a little bit, they're just a nice addition. You know, even with it not lighting up, it looks good. It looks like a solid like dark midnight purple brick. Looks good. I like it. See? You're mounting it wrong.
Yeah, go bird.
Look at that bad puppet, Draco. Woo! Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna weigh this down. Alright guys, let's put the graphics card in. Hey bro, we love RGB around here. You might like stealth builds, but we are RGB builds. Hey. Ain't nothing wrong with a bright ass orange motorcycle, you know what I'm saying? And you can see it that way. It's not, the glass and stuff's not all put on it. And we might have to change a couple things up because I want to test something. But we'll see how it goes. So I guess let's power it up for the first time. All right. So everybody ready? So this is Draco's computer, guys. Caress it.
It's gonna do it for Draco's build here. I'm sure he's gonna get a lot of use out of this because he does love his soundboard.
Yeah, he is a soundboard freak. But no, yeah, this came out really good. This Corsair case is awesome to work in. It's got a lot of room. Got plenty of panels that come off. Like literally the whole case comes apart. Easy to work with. It looks amazing. And I cannot tell people enough about the SSDs. They just look great. I know you can't see them from here.
You'll see it in the B-roll.
You'll see it in the B-roll.
So, yeah, like every time, comment, subscribe, show the channel some love, show his Twitch channel some love to Cyber Samurai. Check out Draco's channel here, and have a great day.
Yeah, appreciate it, guys.